31. Proteins differ from carbohydrates and fats by the presence of 32. The R group in amino acids determines 33. When a protein is hydrolyzed completely, it yields 34. Proteins are amphoteric because they 35. Which of the following tests detects protein? These. A positive burette test gives 37. Which reagent is used in the burette test? (38) The color in burette test appears due to 39. Which test is used to detect amino acids? (40) Proteins perform all of the following functions except 41. Protein denaturation involves loss of During digestion, proteins are converted into 43. Which enzyme begins protein digestion in the stomach? (44) Trypsin acts in the 45. Protein synthesis occurs on